Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today it's time to review the second model of my luxury eyelash collection, and the second model is called Nights in White Satin, and it's just the softest and nicest little eyelash in the entire collection. So a drag queen that would use model number 8, Female Trouble, on her top lash would possibly use this model as her lower eyelash. But as not only drag queens are my target group, but also real women and real girls, this is a perfect lash for daytime occasions or also for like your wedding. So this is really, if you have a nice little makeup on, this could be a lash to totally enhance your look but not go over the top. So this is the natural lash in the collection, Nights in White Satin. Let's get the party started. I'm starting to put on Laura Mercier's Blemishless Primer. Using Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade 200 Nude to clean up the edges of my brows. I'm doing my entire foundation with Revlon Color Stay in the shade 200 and 220. I'm mixing NYX Professional Makeup's HD Concealer and Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer in White Out to brighten up and conceal my under eye area. Baking my face and fixing my foundation with Laura Mercier's Translucent Setting Powder. I'm getting my contouring done with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. Bringing some heat to the cheek with MAC's Devil Blush. For this look I want radiant and beautifully glowing skin, so I built up some highlighter by Laura Mercier in the shade Highlight 01. For my lips I'm using Makeup Forever's Artist Acryl Lip in the shade 501. I want to do a really bright and shimmery eye look that could be worn by a bride in her first night or just a regular girl. I'm priming and lightening up my eyelid with Kat Von D's White Out Concealer. I'm only using the White Out Concealer until here, like where my iris is, and then I really blend it out. I just don't want any hard lines anymore, and now I will go over this with some white shimmery eyeshadow. I'm using the shade White Light out of one of Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow palette. With the softest tapping motions, I'm building up some serious white light in my inner corners. I'm using the shade Black Stars out of the same palette to create some darkness on my very outer corners. I'm going in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Cuff, which is a gorgeous silver. And now I'm just going in with some black pencil to give my eye the slightest bit of a dark contour. And also on the upper eyelid I smudge in a little bit of black pencil just to get a tiny bit of a cat eye. I'm smudging the black liner until it gets really soft and almost transparent towards the white eyeshadow. Alright, and so the eye makeup is done as well, and now it is finally time for lash model number 2, Nights in White Satin, and I think you understand the Nights in White Satin idea on my eye makeup. So here is the Lash Close-Up, so you can see how soft and how cute it is. I think it's really a lash for somebody who wants to create a believable natural look. And as you can see, I will put the lash on with these special tweezers that you can also get in my store. Alright, so let's place the lash. I'm placing this model very close to my natural lashes because I want that look to stay as clean as natural as possible. Okay. And again, I want you to see the difference that my eyelashes are doing to your makeup. So here you see the same eye makeup as here, just without the lashes. I'm going to put the second lash band on, and then I'm coming back with my wig and my outfit on for some final words. Well, alright, this is the complete look for model number 2, Nights in White Satin. So these are on the very natural side of my luxury eyelash collection, but don't be fooled, even if they are small and petite and more natural than all the other lashes in the collection, they still do a big thing for your eye makeup, as you saw before when I showed you the difference. These could be worn for a wedding or for a very natural daytime look when you still want to have fierce eyelashes. So if you like this video, then keep on watching, because I am going to present a single look for every single model in my luxury eyelash collection. And if you like the channel, then please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Mwah. And visit my store, Get My Lashes. Bye! This is the finished look for model. So this is where we get to a point where I don't make any sense anymore.